Everybody knows the sole. It's a very good fish. To have one kilo of sole, this we trash. If you catch 1 kilo of sole, there's 40 kilo of other kinds of fishes that we don't want to eat. And that's for me shocking. The same thing with codfish. It's one of the most popular fishes, I think, all over the world. If you look at a fish shop or a mall, you have codfish, you have sole, salmon, some tuna sometimes, and then it stops. But I don't serve codfish. No, I'm gonna replace it into haddock, into ling, to whiting, pound, pollock. These are all kinds of fishes that we can replace or doing the same recipes as with codfish. And for me that's being sustainable. So I'm gonna play a little game with you. So I have 5 kinds of fishes on a plateau. We took out the skin, the bones of course. I put some pepper and salt on it, some olive oil, and I put it in the oven at 120 degrees. And I numbered it. And it's up to you now to saying which number is the codfish. Have a taste.